Dia Fatma. He's my Baba. He's my brother. So we are on the way of Shehzad Court. This is a beautiful road, a beautiful rasta. There's a greenery here and there around the Larkana. A beautiful green gardens. The birds are flying in the sky. Mind-blowing sky. Beautiful homes.
Around the road.
Wow, there are red trees around the road. Wow, I love these trees. Look at the overloaded car. It would be cause of an accident. This is rice thresher. By this rice come out from his shell. This is people without helmet riding on a bike. It is very dangerous. It could be cause of an accident. We are nature and environment lover. Ada, look at this car of Kia Sportage, which has illegal number plate. We are crossing small town. Video Chandio. Baba, this is bricks factory. It is so amazing. In Sindhi, it's called Batho. We are living in poor Sindh, where single road is for two-way traffic. Baba, did you wear seat belt?
Yes, I do, Baba.
Wow. In Kambar City, there is Baba's office. Wow, fresh green trees. Fresh rice, cut from land, harvest from land. That's why land seems golden. A beautiful road.
Trees around the road.
Trees around the road. Colorful flags. Fishes. Lovely fishes. And it's break for Asar time. We recite Kalma and Ayatul Kursi. God, wow! This is herds of cattle. Wow, amazing! The color of sun. Look at small island.
Birds.
This is desert and there is houses of 4 people. Herd of sheep moving on the road. Donkey also. Oh my God. And the cow. Only one boy handling
The herd.
the herd. Two beautiful and amazing dead trees
Over there.
over there.